Samuel walks in the Labor Day parade. He walks 3 1/4 miles along the parade route and 256 miles home. How many miles does Samuel walk? So we need to add them. The least common denominator is 12. So times 3/3 equals 3, 12. 256 times 2/2 equals 210/12. So when you add them, it equals 13/12. You can't do that, so it'll equal 6 1/12. And there's the answer right there, B. Mrs. Michaels bakes a pie for her book club meeting. The shaded part of the diagram shows the amount of pie left after the meeting. That evening, Mr. Michaels eats 1/4 of the whole pie. Which fraction represents the amount of pie remaining? So it said Mr. Michaels eats 1/4 of the pie. So 1/4 would be this and this. So it would be 2/8 remaining, and 2/8 equals to 1/4. 16. Aaron is practicing for a triathlon. On Sunday, he bikes 12.58 miles and swims 5.23 miles. On Monday, he runs 6.38 miles. How many total miles did Aaron cover on the 2 days? So let's do 12.58 plus 6.38. That equals 18.88. But that you can't do that, so it'll equal 19. But when you add that, plus 5.23, 19 plus 5 is 24.23. So the answer is there, D. Mario is painting his walls. He needs a total of 5 2/3 gallon of paint for the job. He has 4 3/4 gallons of paint. How much more paint does he need? He needs a total of 5 2/3 gallons of paint to paint his walls. He has 3 3/4 gallons. So what we need to do is 5 2/3 subtracted. You need to minus it with 3 3/4, but they don't have the same denominator. We can do that. We can do equal the denominator to 12. So 2/3 times 4/4 equals 8/12. And then 3/4 times 3/3 equals 9/12. So then when you add 8 plus 8/12 plus 9, you need to subtract it. So, but you can't subtract it. You'll have to rename. You're going to ask, what is renaming? Let me show you. 5 equals to 4 plus, what's the combination? Plus 12/12. So then when you add 12/12 to 8/12, it equals 20/12. So when you subtract it by 9/12, so that means it's 4/20/12 minus 3 9/12. Subtracting it is 111/12. D.